What is up, guys? My name is Maximus, and welcome to the Gladiators Club channel, where I'll upload the best, quickest, and unedited tips and tricks for small or starting content creators. These are all gathered from my years of research and experimentation, summed up to less than a 5-minute video. So let's get started. All right. Okay. So for today, I'm gonna teach you guys the easiest way on how to make your channel graphics, and you need a website, and that website is snappa.com. I mean, if you're actually a small streamer, a small content creator, and you don't have like Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop skill set like me, then you definitely need snappa.com. This website actually has all the preset that you need for your channel. We are talking about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, blah 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 blah, ebook cover, everything. Everything is actually here. You can also do a custom graphic size if you wanted. So let's get started. So for example, you're gonna make a YouTube thumbnail. So all you have to do is to click on the YouTube thumbnail preset here, and immediately it will offer you featured templates that you can use. Or if you actually scroll down, there are more templates that you can use here. Now all these templates are actually you can edit them. So for example, let's just say you want let's just say you want this. So you just have to click it. So immediately the preset, the size is already there, so you don't have to set it. So the size is definitely perfect for your YouTube thumbnail already. Now all you have to do is to edit it. So double click on the words, and you can just let's say test text or something, or test. You can just edit it, or if you want, you can look for more font options, more font sizes. And for the background, all you have to do is to click on background. They already have pre-made backgrounds here. You can, of course, you can upload your own background if you want to. And additionally, they have a lot of icons that you can use. For example, if you type in Twitch, they already have the Twitch icon for you. Why is it not showing up? Okay, there you go. So all you have to do is to click it. There you go. This is you cannot edit the color of this, but if you go back to graphics icons, you click this, there you go. You can actually edit the color fill for this. So if your theme is white, if your theme is black, then you can change this to white. If your theme is black, then you can change if your theme is white, then you can change it to black or gray or whatever you want. So this is very easy. All you have to do after you save everything. For example, I actually have a pre-made thumbnail here. This is an Apex logo. What I did was I uploaded the graphics. I downloaded a PNG file and uploaded the graphics here, and then just twisted and just made sure that it's actually in the middle of the cell phone. So once you finish doing everything, it's actually very easy. Once you've finished doing everything, all you have to do is save or just download. All right. Now, if you're using the free version, guys, you only have a maximum of 5 downloads per month. But what you can actually do to what do you call this? If you don't want to pay right now, because you're actually a small content creator, you can use snipping tool. Grab that, snip your page, and voila, you already have a YouTube thumbnail. There you go. You can also use it. It's also very easy to for you to make a YouTube header as well. But this one, you cannot snip this. You can just download. I mean, you don't have to download your YouTube banner every day, right? So I think the 5 download per month is just perfect for everyone. Okay, so I hope that I've actually put in all the necessary details for everyone in that in 5 minutes. We're actually running 5 minutes and 16 seconds right now, but this is just the end credit. So if you've reached this part, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to hit that like button, dislike button, and subscribe to the channel to support me, and if you're willing to see more tips and tricks in the future. So again, this is Maximus. I stream on Twitch every day. I hope to see you again. Bye bye.